on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. 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 I really appreciate you tuning in today. I really appreciate you tuning in today. I appreciate you tuning in today. I appreciate you tuning in today. I appreciate you tuning in. I seriously appreciate you tuning in today. God, I got a haircut and I'm not digging it yet. I'm not digging it. It needs to be a little longer. Anyways, what is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. We got the 350z out here. As you saw from that intro of this video, we hit 10,000 subscribers on the YouTube channel today. I just wanted to jump on here and just seriously thank you guys for everything. Every view, every sub, every comment, seriously every little bit of interaction, every second of your time that you've spent watching my videos. I seriously appreciate you, and honestly, God, it literally means so much to me that you guys watch these videos. I sit there until 3 o'clock in the morning editing them at night, and it makes it so worth it knowing that people enjoy them and watch them. So that little montage you guys just saw, the coolest thing about that montage is you could hit the pause button at any moment, and there's one frame basically from every single video we've posted since we got the 350z, which is pretty crazy. It took me 3 days to edit together that 1 minute montage. All right, so we're in the shade right now. Seriously, God, 10,000. Like, as you guys saw from the length of this video, it's not gonna be a very big one, and I just wanted to jump on here and make this little montage kind of like celebrating every video and every moment we've had in the past 2 years, and kind of just give you guys an honest thank you. Like, I just wanted to say, like, you guys have seriously changed my life for the better. I mean, if it wasn't for YouTube, I seriously don't know what I would be doing, basically, and I really appreciate you guys. As you guys heard me say at the beginning of this is not the only part of this 10,000 subscriber celebration thing. I have 2 other videos for you guys in the works right now. As I was editing this one, got this crazy idea to make another video. So obviously for 10K subscribers, I kind of wanted to do something big. So you guys will see in the future, oh God, I'm excited. In a few days, you guys will see. But the next video is not gonna be the one that's gonna be explaining that specifically. The next 2 videos are still related to 10K. So seriously, thank you once again for everything. Without you, none of this would be possible. And I really enjoy you being here, watching these videos and supporting me along this journey. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. We'll see you in the next video. It'll be a lot longer than this one, I promise. A lot longer. Actually, it might even be the longest video I've ever posted. So hit the subscribe so you don't miss that video. And I'll see you guys then. Peace out.